Yeah, I gotta say it's nice having so many people I can count on.
I hope you can think of me as one of them.
When I learned I was pregnant, I just panicked. I just assumed that it was Ian's. I was so young, never entered my mind. Believe me, if I had known the baby was yours, I would have made a very different decision. I would have kept him and raised him.
Victor.
You gonna leave quietly?
Or what? You gonna call security?
No. I'm gonna throw you out myself and I'll enjoy it. Stitch. I can handle it. What do you want?
I understand your anger, and I share it. It was Nikki who set you on a path that led to me. And ever since then, all I've wanted is a relationship with my miracle son. Now that the bitter truth is out, I just came to tell you that I don't find you responsible for any of it. And I'm not going to change my will, or I'm not going to walk away. I still want us to try and have a relationship.
Well, don't.
You and I are victims of the same irresponsible woman, don't you see? A woman who led us to believe that we were related by blood, when all along she knew.
Get away from my son.
Let me handle this, Nikki. I don't want you caught in the middle.
I warned you last time to stay away from my son. My son, not yours.
You hear the venom coming out of her mouth? She desperately needs to create a villain. When you and I are the wounded parties, she has chosen to lie about your paternity and made us both suffer for it.
The only suffering is gonna be yours if you don't leave my mother alone.
You had such promise once. What a waste.
Get out.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Wow. Interesting. What, do you send your wife in there to do your dirty work?
My wife is the good cop. Unfortunately for you, I'm the other kind.
Ian Ward is suing you? On what grounds?
Emotional distress. Claiming that I misled him into believing he had fathered a child, then pulled the rug out from under him.
That is such crap. It's unbelievable.
Listen, the only reason he was here today was to lay groundwork for his case.
Well, then he wasted his time because I'm not going to help him. I'm not going to help him get any kind of payday either.
Oh, well, he's going to say you were victimized anyway. That I lied to you all these years about your real father.
But I had a dad growing up. Might not have been my biological father, but... Nikki, come on, please. Please don't worry about
I
it.
can't help it. I've complicated your life yet again.
What fun is life without a few curveballs? I am looking forward to it now that Paul and I know the truth. It's much better than thinking my real father's a bottom-feeding crook.
Just for the record, Victor, I didn't come here to try and start trouble.
Just for the record, Ian Ward, you've been nothing but trouble ever since you've shown your face in this town.
Well, it was never my intention. You have to know that.
But you know the irony is that my family has become stronger, more united.
Oh, such bravado. It must be hard that the friend of the family is the father of your wife's son. A less secure man might be devastated by that. Who knows what it'll lead to now?
You're beginning to push your luck.
Well, I still say that...
I don't give a damn what you say. I said you're beginning to push your luck. Get away from me, now.
Oh, I received the papers. It's the real deal. He's suing me.
It's ridiculous. He can't think he has a chance of winning. Mr. Newman, about this idiotic lawsuit, please.
Dylan, there's nothing for you to be concerned about, okay? Ian Ward is not going to bother Nikki. But I'm going to take you home now.
That's good. A little peace and quiet for you. You deserve it.
Exactly.
You get some rest, okay? Because you have a very big day tomorrow.
Yeah, better take it easy so I can go home and rest up some more.
That's right.
What you did for Paul was a very brave thing to do.
Victor, I don't want to lie down.
What's the matter with you? Will you humor me, please?
Look, I know you're only looking after my health, but as I told you before, that's not why I moved back here, to be a prisoner in my own house.
Wait a minute. Is that how you think I treat you, like a prisoner? Is that why you went back to see Paul, to make a point?
No, Victor, I went because I care about him.
So do I. But you come first with me.
Then you come first with me. I'm sorry, it's just that things are different now.
How are they different now?
Paul and I have a son.
So that doesn't change a damn thing.
Victor, I know you were listening. It had to have hurt you to hear me tell Paul the truth. That if I had known that Dylan was his son, that I wouldn't have given him away.
Then you and I would never have happened.
Hey!
Hello, my dear. I was hoping to hear from you. Your first night at Shea Newman. How did it go?
Hi, Mariah, I'm glad you made it.
I don't know if you two have met. Sharon Newman, this is Ian Ward.
I know who he is.
Well, I've heard a great deal about you too, Sharon. It's a pleasure to finally meet you.
Did you find yourself a swimsuit yet?
No, I was just headed to the boutique now.
Okay, I will meet you up at the pool on the roof.
Okay, great. I'll see you later.
Well, I'm deeply grateful to you and your family for taking an interest in my Mariah.
She's not your Mariah. Not anymore.
I detect a note of hostility. I wonder where that's coming from.
She gets that from me.
Oh, Nicholas. I admire your impulse to save any damsel you think is in distress, but I meant what I said to Sharon. I'm very appreciative of your kindness and generosity toward Mariah.
Well, I would appreciate if you stay away from my mother and drop this ridiculous lawsuit.
Believe it or not, you and I are in complete agreement.
We are?
Mariah has a whole new life ahead of her, and I, for one, couldn't be more pleased. Have a good day.
Don't let him get to you.
It's too late.